So good morning students, it is a computer science class of grade 11. We are going to see lesson number 5, tuples. Okay, we are going to see the type B questions. Okay, let us take T is a tuple. So you know that tuple will start with a rounded bracket and tuple will end with a rounded bracket. Okay, so anything has a rounded brackets with commas means, and that is called as a tuple. Understand? Okay, fine. So listen. So this is the 0th element, and comma is there now. So this is the first element. So after that comma, and this is the second element. Comma is there, and this is the third element. Comma is there. This is the fourth element. Comma is there. This is the fifth element. Understand? So 0th element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. Are you clear? So before that, rounded brackets inside comma will be there. So that is called as tuple. Are you clear, my dear students? Okay then. So now you see here, print the value of tuple. So what is this 1 and what is this 0 is to 2? Okay, very simple. You just see this 1 alone. 1 means 1th index. You see, this is the 0th index, comma, and this is the 1 index. The selected portion is called as 1 index. Okay. So don't see other things, just see or a few words. Okay, fine. Then among this 0, starting from 0, so starting from R, you see 1 means this portion. Understand? Okay, now we are going to see among the selected portion 0th index, which one? R. Understand? Then they didn't say about the ending part, they said about the starting point. They didn't say about the ending point. So from here to here we can choose, but you have to choose by step 2. That means you have to choose R, then step 1, step 2, few. So R, few is the answer. Understand? So F5. Okay, so R, few is the answer. Got it? You see, so many of you can't understand. Okay, once again I will repeat. T means this complete tuple. Okay, then T of 1 means 0th index, first index. So this 1 denotes this complete selected portion. Okay, fine. Then 0 to end, that means among the selected portion, from here to here we have to select. So among the selected portion you have to go with step 2. That means R, step 1, step 2, few. So R and few is the answer. Understand? So that's why if I give F5 you get R, comma, few. Clear, students? Okay. We are going for the next one. Hash. Okay, we can choose this one. Okay. So A in T of 1, what is called T? T means this complete portion. Okay. T of 1 means this portion is called as T of 1. Okay. So in T of 1 you have to choose 0th index. In T of 1 you have to choose 0th index. Understand? So என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா இந்த R குள்ள A இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Understand? You see, I will tell you something. A in R. Okay, it implies true or false. So இந்த A வந்து இங்க இருக்கு. Am I right? So A is inside R. Of course inside. So the answer is T-R-U-E. Answer? Understand? So A in T of 1, 0, the answer is F5. It is true. Understand, my dear students? R குள்ள A இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Yes, the answer is true. That's why you got the answer true. Clear? Okay. So you can hide this one and we are going for next line. Okay. T means what? The complete portion is called as T. Then starting they didn't give. What is the starting point they didn't give? Then ending point is 1. Okay. That means you have to finish before 1. You see, 0th index, first index, you have to finish before 1 means this is the point, this. Okay. So these plus, listen, these. டே ஒண்ணுலடா எதுவுமே கொடுக்கலனா 0 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் வந்து எடுத்துக்கணும். சரியா? தென் 1 அப்படினு கொடுத்தேன்னா 1 க்கு முன்னாடியே finish ஆயிடும். சோ இதுதான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1. இந்த 1 க்கு முன்னாடியே finish ஆகணும் அப்படினா you have to take the values this. So T of is to 1 means the answer is this. Understand? So plus means here I have to give plus. Then T of 1 means this list. Okay, this list, copy here, paste. Okay, so this is a string. Another, this is a string and this is a list. Stringiyum listiyum add panna mudiyuma? Error varuma varada? You tell me. So if I give fi means it shows error. Why error? We cannot join. Concatenate means join. We cannot join list. Okay, we cannot join list with any tuple or list with any string, like that they are saying. Okay, so இது வந்து list தான், இது வந்து tuple ஒரு part. So இது ரெண்டையும் நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, add பண்ண முடியாது. Understand? Okay. So listen carefully. I will tell you. I will clearly explain you. Listen. Print T plus T. Is it possible? Listen. T is a tuple, and this T is also a tuple. This one. Okay. So tuple you can able to add. Remember. So this is the first tuple and this is the second tuple, and tuple you can able to add, but list and tuple you cannot add. Understand? Okay. So you can cancel this one. So hope you understand. So only tuple and tuple can be added. So list and tuple cannot be added. Clear? Okay. And this one, T means what? T means this complete T. Okay. Then T of 2, starting from 2, the starting value is 2. That means what? 0th index, first index and second index. So that ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கணும். என்ன பண்ணனும்? that ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கணும். அதனால தான் நீ ரன் பண்ணும்போது உனக்கு that வருது. Okay, then up to the end you have to choose. So starting from that up to the end you have to choose. Okay, so இங்க பாருங்க ending value கொடுக்கல. So that starting from that up to the end you have to choose. Then you have to go by step 2. You have to go by step 2. அப்ப என்னது? That step 1, step 2. So will is the next value. Only you have to choose the step 2. Okay, that ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். This is step 1 and this is step 2. Then will வந்துச்சா? So that print ஆகும், will print ஆகும். This is step 1. Step 2 இல்ல, அதனால print ஆகாது. Clear? So that, then step 1, step 2 will be printed. That will be printed. Understand? Okay. So the last one is T of 2 is to 2. That means what? You see, Control X. T means what? the complete value is called t. Okay. T of 2 means what? 0, 1, 2. T of 2 means that. T of 2 means that. Okay. T of 2 is to 2 and the that 2 is. This is 0th index, first index, second index. So T of 2 is to 2 means, 2 into 2 means the answer is A. So that's why if I give Fi means you get the value A. Understand? Okay. So now listen here. T of 1 means what? T of 1 means 0. This is 1. Okay. So இது என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படினா I told you T of 2 is to 2 means the answer is A. Okay, the answer is what? The answer is A. A in T of 1 means what? T of 1 means this one. Okay. Okay. So இந்த A வந்து இந்த லிஸ்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கா இல்லையா? Yes, it is there. Okay. So the answer is true or false? You tell me now. So the answer is F5. Okay, it is true. So லிஸ்டுக்குள்ள A இருக்கு. So the லிஸ்டுக்குள்ள இந்த A இருக்கு. So the answer is true. Understand? So hope you understand. We are this is our question. So please make a note all the question with answers. So now we are going for find the errors. Okay. So next we are going for open desktop. We are going to choose a file T2. Okay, fine. So now listen. Okay. Listen. T is a tuple. So how can you say that T is a tuple? Because a rounded bracket is there, then comma is there, such that it is a confirmed tuple, no doubt. Okay, fine. So print T of 5. Okay, so T of 5, the answer is, it shows error. Why? Because this is T of 0, T of 1, T of 2, T of 3, 3 of 4. Up to T of 4 is there, but there is no T of 5. That's why it shows the error. What error? Tuple index out of range. What is that? Tuple index out of range. Clear? Okay. Listen, we will give the question like this, and we will tell you to find the error. You have to tell me what is the error. The error is what is the error? Nada error. So tuple index out of range, it will come. Got it? Okay. And we are going for the next one. Print of T of 0 is equal to A. Print of T of 0 is equal to A. That means this is called T of 0. You see, I will take this one. T of 0 means the answer is A. Got it? So 0, 1, 2. So T of 2 means the answer is C. So T of 2 means the answer is C. Okay. Okay. So T of 4 means the answer is, what is the 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the T of 4, the answer is E. Yes, super. Okay, okay, done. So now listen. T of 0 means it is A. Am I right? Okay. T of 0 is equal to A. அப்படினா now இந்த A காணாம போயிட்டு இந்த கேபிட்டல் A வந்துரும். Am I right? Okay. Right, பார்க்கலாமா? F5. Okay. It shows the keyword cannot be an expression. Okay. Listen carefully. Very simple. Tuple is immutable. Listen. Tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. அதாவது என்னன்னா, you cannot change the value of this A. You see, t is equal to சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு list of values கொடுத்துட்டீங்க இல்லையா, t is equal to இந்த values கொடுத்தாச்சு. ஓகே, இந்த c ஐ நீ கேபிட்டல் c ஆ மாத்தணும்னா முடியாது, இந்த d ஐ நீ கேபிட்டல் d ஆ மாத்தணும்னா முடியாது, இந்த e ஐ நீ கேபிட்டல் r ஆ இல்ல s ஆவோ இல்ல வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு கேரக்டரா மாத்தணும் அப்படினா முடியாது. Because tuple is immutable, that means you cannot change, that means you cannot change the value of tuple. Got it? So tuple is immutable appadina you cannot change the value of the tuple. Okay, okay, fine. So okay, let me ask you one more question. T is equal to m comma n. Okay, so print t. You tell me if it will show the error or not. Error varuma varadanu mattum enakku sollu. Tell me now. You see, I told you tuple is immutable, you cannot change the values inside. You cannot change the values inside, but நான் t ஓட வேல்யூ பாத்தீங்கன்னா டோட்டலாவே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகேவா? சோ இப்போ எரர் வருமா வராதா? f5 okay, yes, m and n. You see, very simple, the entire value can be changed, but in between a particular value you cannot change. That's the point. Clear? Okay. So now we are going for the next one. File open, desktop, here 5 files, t3 முடிச்சிட்டோமா? t3 okay, fine. So listen, okay, now listen, t1 is equal to 3. Listen, இந்த 3 ங்கிறது tuple-ஆ இல்லையா? t1 அப்படிங்கிறது tuple-ஆ இல்லையா? You tell me now. You see, it is not a tuple. t1 is simply an integer. This is an what? t1 is integer. Why? And தெரியுமா? Because okay, you see 3 comma, you see this is a tuple. You see, bracket should rounded bracket should come, then comma should come. That means this is a tuple. Okay, that means it is a tuple. But if you didn't give the comma means, and this 3 is an integer. Understand? Okay. So because there is no comma. Okay, so in the இடத்துல comma இல்லாததுனால this t1 is an pakka integer. Clear? Okay. What about t2? T2 is a tuple or not? Yes. A rounded bracket is there, comma is there. Okay, so that it is a tuple. Okay, so t1 is integer and t2 is tuple. Okay, so t1 is integer and t2 is tuple. Intiyum tupulium you can able to add or not? Tell me. f5. Okay, so unsupported operand plus integer and tuple you cannot add. Understand? You see, integer நீ add பண்ணலாம், tuple நீ add பண்ணலாம். ஆனா integer tuple உன்னால add பண்ண முடியாது. Clear? Okay, suppose if I give star here, star int star tuple, error வருமா வராதா? f5 okay, 456. So 456 will come 3 times. So integer and tuple can be multiplied, but integer and tuple cannot be added. Is clear? Okay, fine. So shall we go for the next one? Okay, listen. Suppose inge plus kodutha enna varum? Suppose if I give plus means integer and tuple cannot be added. Fi, okay. Listen, inge paru, idhaan eluthanum. Inge paru, listen. Find the error. In the question paper, what is that? Find the error. Appo enna eluthanum? Unsupported operand type for plus, int and tuple. Like this you have to write. Understand? Okay, so ஒவ்வொரு எரரும் எப்படி வருது அப்படிங்கறத நோட் பண்ணி வெச்சுக்கணும். So if I ask you what is the error means, you have to write according to the system what it gives. Clear? Okay. So this one we can save and we can close it. We can go for a new one. I think it is T4. So T4, I think so. Okay. Now listen here. T2 is a tuple or not? You tell me. T2 is a tuple. Yes, of course. Because rounded bracket is there, comma is there. That means it is a tuple, no doubt. Then T3, rounded bracket is there, comma is there. Of course, it is also a tuple. So T3 let T2 minus panna mudiyuma? Is it possible to minus a tuple minus another tuple? Tuple minus another tuple. Is it possible or not? Okay. Okay, let me check. Fi. Okay. Error. Oh. So இங்க 2 values தான் இருக்கு, இங்க 3 values இருக்கு, அதனால மைனஸ் பண்ண முடியாது சரியா? சரி, ஓகே. So 6 7 8. So T3 has 3 values and T2 has 3 values. So இதெல்லாமே big values, இதெல்லாம் small values. So இப்போ நான் ரன் பண்ணனா என்ன ஆகும்? எரர் வருமா வராதா? F5. Okay. Once again error. Why means tuple and tuple cannot be minus. Tuple minus பண்ண முடியாது. Okay. Okay. So listen. Just a minute. Open desktop. Pi files T4, I think so. Okay. So tuple and tuple cannot be minus. So F5. Okay. So what it shows? Tuple and tuple for the operand minus, it is unsupported operand. Understand? Tuple நீ minus பண்ண முடியாது. Okay. Now I ask you a question. T3 plus T2. So tuple plus tuple உன்னால add பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா? Tuple plus tuple you can able to add or not? Error will come or not? So F5. Okay. Yes, no error. Super. So 6 7 8 4 5 6 ரெண்டு add ஆயிடுச்சு. So tuple and tuple can be added. Okay, no problem. But if you give tuple minus tuple means this is error. Okay. So unsupported operand will come. So this error will come. Understand? So please make a note. Okay. So let me close this one. And we can go for T5, I think so. File, open, desktop, files, T5, I think so. Yeah, okay, super. So now listen. T3 is a tuple or not? Tell me. Yes, of course, T3 is a tuple. So 6, 7 is a tuple. What is this? So 6, 7 is a tuple. Okay. Then T4 is equal to T3 into 3. That means 6, 7 will be repeated 3 times. Okay. So T4 என்ன இருக்கும்னா T3 means what? 6, 7. 6, 7 will be repeated 3 times. So in the T4 நம்ம print பண்ணோம் அப்படினா you will get the answer 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. That means 6, 7 will be repeated 3 times. Got it? Any doubt? Okay. So let me close the chapter of the T4. Okay. And now I want to do T5 and T5. Okay. This T3 means what? Tuple of 6, 7. Okay. So tuple of 6, 7. What is this? Is the integer or tuple? Here comma illa, so this integer da. So 6, 7 will be repeated 3 times. So T5 enna irukum 6, 7. So print T5 means F5. What is the answer? 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. So since it is an integer, so very simple, listen. Tuple star int. This is okay, no problem. Okay. Tuple you int enna pannalam? You can able to multiply, no problem. It is perfectly okay. Okay, fine. So hash this one. Now we are going for T6 and T6. Okay. So T6 is equal to T3 means what? It is 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Then so T3 means it is a tuple into bracket is there, comma is there. That means this is also a tuple. Okay. So tuple into tuple can be able to multiply or not? It is okay or not? F5. Okay. It is error. What is the error? You cannot multiply non-int and tuple. அது என்ன சொல்றானா டேய் மடையா, இன்ட்டையும் டியூபிளும் மட்டும்தான் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியும். டியூபிளையும் அதாவது நான் இன்ட்டையும் டியூபிளையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியாது. So it is not okay. Got it? Okay. So T6. So tuple and a tuple cannot be multiplied. Got it? Okay. So I think we are going to the end of the session. Say this one. This is T5. We are going to for T6. I think so. Open desktop. P5 T6. Okay. This one already we saw. I think so. Listen. These both are tuple. Tuple and tuple plus பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா? So F5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So tuple and tuple can be added. Okay. But tuple and tuple, if you want to subtract means it will show the error. Okay. So tupleயும் உன்னால மைனஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. Keep it in mind. Okay. Fine. So T6 finished, and at last the last one. Open desktop. T6 T7 okay, T7. Okay, listen. T is a tuple because comma is there, rounded bracket is there, so T is a tuple. So how many values? Zeroth value, first value, second value, third value, fourth value. Okay. Okay, totally 5 elements are there. So T has 5 elements, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So listen. புரியுற மாதிரி சொல்லணும்னா 1, 2, here 3, here capital D, here capital E. Okay. So now listen carefully. Comma capital F. Okay. So listen carefully. Totally here 6 elements are there, and here 6 variables are there. Okay.